And here we have the installation of about 60 square yards of a sheet vinyl in a wood grain look from Armstrong. The customer had water damage in the basement, picked up the carpet, and we're going to put the wood grain vinyl down here. We're just prepping the concrete. Certain areas need to be patched, which we're doing that right now. It's going to run right through here. Some more patching we got to do right into the laundry room where the boiler is. So we're getting ready to bring down the vinyl, a little bit more patching, and continue with this installation. And here we are starting the installation. We got the large piece open, relief cuts being made. And after this piece goes in, then we work on this piece here, which runs in that hallway and into the laundry room. So the installation is underway. And here we have the final installation of about approximately 60 square yards of an Armstrong wood grain sheet vinyl look in this basement. There was water damage. We had to pick up the old carpet, do some patching on the concrete, and install it all around. Customer's going to come back with quarter round to finish. Ran it all the way through the hallway, in the boiler room. Got it all around as best as we can around the boiler. So this is a really nice look for this basement area. Completes this project. So if you want to see more videos, go to our website at fashion-carpets.com. Go to our video gallery where you can see more videos of other types of categories of flooring. And while you're there, if you could please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And thank you for watching.